I don't know.
How the hell do you turn around?
I don't know. Rather than trying to like wire it into the generator, we're just gonna run a cable straight down to the... Okay, we've got the dog crying. It's a fresh week. We had Christmas, we had New Year's Eve, we've had the 3 puppies we've dropped off. We've been at the dog shelter, we've been feeding the beach dogs.
You have a crying dog in
and
the background.
We've got the final 4th puppy in the back still. He's gonna go to the vet this week. We're getting ready to leave Sicily. We got Jackson. Hey buddy, the floors are a mess, I'm cleaning the bilges, and I'm installing the watermaker, so it's a nice sunny day today, so I'm gonna do all outside work today. This is what we do, we're in a marina in winter.
Apparently I should be filming this because the boys are in the lockers.
This is like the stupidest thing ever.
How the hell do you turn around?
I don't know.
Ryan, you're gonna choke yourself with that tube.
I'm worried about my nuts, I'm gonna squash my balls to get my leg over.
Oh god.
That's what's taking up the most room, Steve.
Your balls.
My manhood. So what we're trying to do, we're installing the watermaker. We made a switchboard, we got to connect it to the generator, and this is how we're doing it.
Steve.
So there you are. There's a pair of size 10 boots upside down.
I'm comfortable now. Okay, so there's cables here, right?
Okay,
so
that's when I tap out. I'm out of here. Jackson? Wow, that's a nice angle,
Yeah.
Ryan.
Rather than trying to like wire it into the generator, we're just gonna run a cable straight down to the main switchboard.
Oh my god, I gotta get my phone and take a photo of this. Look at this place. What a nightmare. Ah, I'm slipping. Alright, smile.
Supposed to get both feet. There we go. Thank you. Behind him now.
So, we're making really good progress. I can pet him no problem. He's very nervous. I still have to be slow, but he's not attacking me. Oh, we're making some really good progress. Oh god, an excited baby. Oh, you're getting excited! Are you becoming a puppy? Not a sad puppy. We're gonna be great friends. Not a sad one. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. From eating your siblings to survive, and now look at you, you're happy puppy. I actually had a moment where I thought, were we too late? Is he too far gone after all he'd been through? But I don't think it's ever too late.
Alright, another morning, another day. We got Matt here.
Morning.
Licata Yacht Services. So he's a mechanic by trade, and what we're doing is the engine has done 1,000 hours, and I just changed the oils and the filters and everything, and he's showing me how to clean the heat exchanger, the turbo, the exhaust elbow. We're doing everything, but he says I'm crazy. It doesn't need to be done. And he's done 1,000 hours.
More concerned because of the age of the engine to change the seals on the exchanger before they give up, and then you get corrosion.
See, there we go.
Which costs Ryan here a lot more money.
Hey, what? No way. We got the engine out. We actually drained the coolant. We're going to flush all the coolant and everything. This is the heat exchanger that we pulled off. So we're just checking to see how clean it is.
It's not too bad. It's
not too
much worse. This blocking is not good. It's not disastrous yet, but
this is why you do it.
that's why you do it. You maintain it. If that's 1,000 hours, you can imagine it in 3,000 hours.
Yeah, okay. We're just laughing. We're saying this is why you check things. So obviously when this is being put on originally, the gasket wasn't on properly. We haven't had any leaks though, which is good, but...
These gaskets, as they get hot, when you pull them off, you do see it does warp, it does deform, but
that looks like it's been...
that looks, to me, like it's always been like, because that sits perfectly
It does, doesn't it?
in that way. So that's probably always been like that.
The turbo, he said, is nice and clean. That was good. The exhaust elbow. Yeah, let's have a look at that. So the exhaust elbow is obviously not clean, but it's not clogged. So moral of the story is preventive maintenance and keep your engine looking clean, because this is the heart and soul of the boat. I'm not going to bore you any more of this engine stuff. We're going to clean these out, and we'll jump back into it when we replace all the coolant.
His little tail's wagging. You're gonna feel so nice and squeaky clean.
You alright, mate? Hey!
Ew. I That's a dead flea. At least they're dead.
Under the couch here we got a hot water heater and we've actually never used it. So it comes in two pieces. You got the thermostat here and then we've got the element here. And this one's got an anode connected to it. Here we got the old thermostat. As you can see, this guy's definitely seen better days. You can see why the fuse kept blowing. We've got the new one here. So let's pull this other element out. For that we're going to need a 55mm box wrench. To get this over the element we've got to twist it. So there's the element with the thermostat put back in. But anyway, there we go. We've got our hot water service back up and running.
This is hot water! It's really hot, Ryan!
Alright, we'll turn it off.
I did. We have not had hot water apart from when we motor for 2 years almost. That is a luxury I never thought was a luxury. Jackson wants to play. Oh, good one, Jackson. Oh, Finney's in. He's been working on his water maker all day with Steve. I think it's a good night from us.
Okay, buddy. We're going to be back with the vet. And Finn, you're going to get a rabies shot as well, buddy. So we're just heading out to pick up the vet to bring him back, and we've got SV in Pavitus with Oscar. They're getting their dog all sorted at the vet as well.
What is that?
You meant to just walk and ignore it. So we picked up the vet. Brittnis put in the words there of what's going on the lowdown. We're going to Tunisia, and we're getting Jackson all sorted and Finn. All right, buddy, this is it. We're not going to film it because you're going to bark and I'm going to hold you and you're very strong. Actually, I won't bark, you'll cry.
Yeah, I don't think he will.
Alright, Jackson literally just took it so well. And then we got Finn, which might be the problem.
Finn's gonna be the problem, yeah.
Guardi, sto lavorando, non posso parlare in questo momento.
We just learned that Finn doesn't like things up his bum. Jackson just... Oh, thank you, yeah.
Ryan's the worst out of all of us.
Yeah. Nah, he's not.
You can
so
take
bad.
the cat out of the street, but you can't take the street out of the cat.
Poor thing.
God, I can't believe how crazy he is.
Yeah.
She's probably scared Finn was gonna kill her.
Yeah.
Jackson, your brother's bad.
You're okay, aren't you? You didn't care. You just don't like things in your bum. Okay, buddy. You need to get it done, buddy. You don't have
Look at he looks like he's on drugs. That's what happens when you have such an adrenaline rush. Puppy! I think he just licked the camera lens. Stop licking the camera lens. Are you cute like your brothers?
Pretty?
Yes.
Do you know what this is?
No, I don't.
Yeah, I'll show you. Just getting back to our water maker, we needed some certain parts, like some specialty little fittings, and I didn't know where to get them from. So in Italy, I found this place that had them. So I contacted him asking for a price, and he hooked us up with these special fittings that we needed for our water maker. He basically said to me on the email, when I asked for a quote, that he just said, look, I love what you do with the animals and stuff. I think I love what you do with the animals. I think that's what it was about. But he just said to me, he goes, just tell me what you want, I'll send them to you. And I was like, you're a champion. And he did. Moral of the story is, it's good to do nice things and good things come to you. Like, what an awesome bloke, eh?
Ryan's trying to do some work. Oh, it's so hard being a dada.
Yeah. I'm just going to trim that floorboard because it's, ever since we had the boat, it's really tight fit. Okay.
just at the supermarket here, waiting for Barbara and Antonio to drop little puppy off. They picked him up today to take him to the vet to get his first injections and a microchip, so he's ready for a new home. They're currently trying to find him a new home. So I'm just sitting here waiting for them to drop him off. I'm probably gonna be really sad after having been poked and prodded by the vet, the poor baby. Here they come. Oh, the poor baby had a tough day. Barbara and Antonio said he was very upset. Poor baby. So this morning, I'm making up dog beds. We received all of our Amazon orders, but the jerks didn't even put them together. Oh, 15 more to go. Ryan?
Ready?
We don't have very good weather windows anytime soon. The swell is like 1 meter to 1.8.
You're probably thinking the swell's a meter or 2 meters is nothing, but like it really is something because the multi-channel goes from like 2,000 meters to like 200 meters.
But also when it says 1 point something, it usually means 2 point something.
Yeah,
when
so
it says 2 point something, it means 4 point something.
Yeah, so like 2 meter swells in the multi-channels, like 4.5 meter waves crashing over the back of your boat with like 2 seconds apart. So the multi-channel is
not our friend.
Yeah.
Actually, no, we've only had one bad passage through there.
Jackson! Hey, buddy. Your bed's a bit little there. Come on, let's go. Hey, good boy. Come on, mate. Oh, good stretch, buddy. I just got to stop work because last night we had a little kitten that came to our boat. So we fed him and we took him away from the pontoon out in the garden because we didn't want him to fall in. Anyway, he's stuck under the pontoon, which means he would have fallen in overnight.
He's somehow managed to find himself in here.
Nah, get this off here. You're a funny cat, you know that? What are you doing there? Hey! Now we don't have to look for cats, they just come
They
here.
come to us.
They're like, hey, can you help me? I just come to your boat.
We think she's been dumped here. Already I sent photos of her, and the rescue is putting it out to try and find her a new home.
Good morning, all you sexy, wonderful people. Good morning, Brittany.
Look at your wild hair.
They got into full-blown red lockdown in Sicily. We were planning to leave to Tunisia, and then they just did this 2-week lockdown. And Tunisia, we heard, are closing their borders. And it's blowing like 40, 50 knots out in the middle of the Malta-Channel right now. And there's like 5-6 meters swell, apparently. So it's probably like not the best time to be sailing, but we've got to do it. So we're going to pick our weather window properly. We're going to head over to Tunisia. We've got to sort out this visa thing. I'm going to get Brittany to come out and film me walking the dog because it's the funniest thing. This happens 3 or 4 times a day. Alright, so this is a mission of where's Finn? All we're going to do is take Jackson out and we'll find Finn. Wherever he is, we'll just come running. God, he missed it. Damn it.
Little baby.
Oh, he fell.
I'm so excited. Oh.
Jackson!
He's right here.
Hey!